Good morning. Good morning. Boone's going to introduce us this morning.
My name is Boone.
Hi, Boone. Hi, Boone.
This is Ketch. She is my most favorite person in the whole wide world.
I love it. I want you to introduce us every time. I love when you say I'm your most favorite person in the whole wide world. Good morning. Hey, we're back. Good morning. You say good morning? Good morning. This is Boone. And who am I? Can you tell them? I like when you introduce us.
She is my most favorite person in the whole wide world.
Yay! That's my favorite thing that you say all the time. Well, hi, it's good morning. It's Boone and Ketch. And we're at the farm today. Oh my goodness, I didn't know I was going to talk. We're at the farm today. Good morning. Good morning. It's Boone and Ketch. You want to introduce us? You're Ketch and I'll be Boone. You want to be Ketch today and I'll be Boone today? We can't do it. You don't want to do that. Do you want to introduce me? This is Boone. This is Boone, my favorite sidekick.
Mason.
I'm not Mason. I'm Ketch. Hey, oh, Boone and Ketch with Briar Bun. Hey, it's Boone and Ketch, and today we are making vanilla ice cream for Father's Day. Hey, it's Boone and Ketch. It's Boone and Ketch, and today we're going to do a little bit of art today. Hey, where do we look? Where are we supposed to look on this camera? This is our first selfie video, right? Hey, it's Boone and Ketch, and we are going to cook today. All right. Happy December. It's Boone and Ketch, and it's December already. Hey, it's Boone and Ketch, and we're back with a short video, a drawing video. We're going to try to draw today.
This is Ketch. She is my most favorite person in the whole wide world.
You heard that? Did you hear that? I'm his favorite person in the whole wide world. And this is Boone, and he's my favorite sidekick in the whole wide world, right? Hey, welcome to Boone and Ketch. This is Boone. And who am I? I like when you say it. Can you tell them? Who am I?
This is Ketch. She is my most favorite person in the whole wide world.
Oh, there we go. We're on our way to get a haircut. Is it my turn? All right. Hey, it's Boone and Ketch. Little baby dog. I can't stand it. My insides are like screaming.